My will this them is to design artificial intelligence that is our friend. If you have an AI system that can that help us understand mathematics, you can solve the economy of the world. If you have an AI system that can understand humanitarian science, we can actually solve all our conflict. I want this system to define Einstein and Maxwell equation. Take it and solve neo physics. If you understand physics, you can solve the energy problem. So you can actually design ways for humans to be the better version of themselves. I'm Ramin Hasani. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Liquid AI. Liquid AI is an AI company built on top of a technology that I invented back at MIT. It's called Liquid Neural Network. As these are a from these are a form of flexible intelligence as opposite to today's AI system that are fixed basically. So uh, think about your brain. You can change your talk. When somebody talk to you, you can completely change the way you respond. You always have a mechanism that we call feedback in your system. So basically, when you receive information from someone as an input, you basically process that information, and then you reply. For liquid neural network, we simply got to feedback mechanism and we adapt that to the system. So that means it has the ability of thinking. That property is inspired by nature. We look into brain of animals, and in particular a very very tiny worm called C. elegans. The fascinating C. elegans in the fascinating fact about in the worm is that it shares 75% of the genome that it has with human. We have the anti-genome map, so we understand a whole lot about the functionality of its nervous system as well. So if you understand that properties of cells in the worm, maybe we can build intelligent systems that are as good as the worm, and then evolve them into systems that are better even humans. The reason why we are studying nature is the fact we can actually having a shortcut through exploring all the possible kind of algorithm that you can design. If you can look into nature, you world give you light, that world give you light. A shortcut to really faster get into efficient algorithm, because nature has done a lot of years, billion of years of evolution, right? So we learn so much from those principles. I just broke a tiny principle from the worm into artificial neural network, and they are flexible, and they can solve problem in expandable. Why that was not possible before. AI is becoming very capable, right? The reason why it's hard to regulate AI, the reason why AI is hard to regulate, so it's because we cannot understandable. Even the people who design the system, we don't understand the system. They are black box. With Liquid, because we are fundamentally using mathematics that are understandable, we have tools to really understand, and and pinpoint which part of the system is responsible for what. You're designing with white box systems. So if you system that you can understand their behavior, that mean even if you scale into something very very intelligent, you can always a lot of control over that system because you understand it, you understand it. You can never let it go wrong. So all of the crisis dealing we are dealing with right now, if you know doomsday kind of scenarios is all about scaling technology that we don't understand with liquid. Our purpose is to really calm people down and show people that hey, you can have very powerful system that you have a lot of control and visibility into their working mechanism. The gift into their working mechanism, the gift of having the gift of having something super intelligent is massive, and it can enable of a lot of thing for use. But at some time we need to have control over that technology, because this is the first time we are going to have a technology that is going to be better than all of humanity combined.